When I tell you that Dollar Tree is just showing out right now, have you guys seen this? All right, so this is the Stinky Bowl gel. Look at this. What does put you in the mind of? Was it the Lysol? 5 dispense gel for long-lasting fragrance, fight stains, and every flush. $1.50. I have something new to show you fancy folks. Okay, look, have you seen this? This is the ONYX Professional Honey. I mean, Dollar Tree brings so much ONYX in. Now, this ONYX Professional Perfect Travel Kit. Loves, this has the cuticle trimmer, cuticle pusher, cuticle scissors, nail clippers, sapphire nail file, 3-way buffer file. So it has 7 things in here for $1.25. Honey, I mean, it gets no better than that. I mean, it can get better. It will get better. For $1.25, this is a steal deal. Now, another item it has in here is the little bag. Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize that until I was putting it back up there. Child, you see it, bag included. Now, when it comes to the press-ons, Dollar Tree is out here definitely delivering. They have the LA Colors, artificial nail tips, cat eye effect, and jelly finish. These are so gorgeous. Now, they are solid colors. I like this red.
Can I lead to the front?
They also have this purple over here, 12 pieces. Oh, I like. Now, Dollar Tree also have the nail gem kit. These are so gorgeous. Look at these. Really, really nice. Honey, you could just go on and do your own nails, all right? For $1.25, this is a steal deal. And then they have different ones. The bows. They have the snowflakes. They also have the candy. Look at the candy. This is so cute. Look at this, the little candy, really cute. Now, they also have the nail polish and nail files. This is Giz, okay? Look at the little nail file, really cute, candy cane theme. They also have this one. Look at the little beers. Honey, it can't get no fin. Well, it can. My loves, when the last time you've been to Dollar Tree? It's been a minute. Check these new items out that Dollar Tree has. They have these pumpkin silicone ice cube trays. These are $1.50. They come in 2 different colors. Love this. Honey, and green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Okay, so Dollar Tree has... These are so gorgeous. The silicone ice cube trays. Love this. $1.50. They also have these martini. What is Dud Shot? If you guys don't know, Coco is one of my favorite movies. Love it. And when I see anything like this definitely sets the tone for the movie Coco. One time for Coco, the Disney flick, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have the glasses, any type of fall harvest that you guys are looking for, especially when it comes to like glassware, dinnerware. Dollar Tree definitely is in a place to be. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is these smaller size oval tubs. I absolutely love how they have the handles right here, like this silver. Honey, I pay attention to detail so much, okay? All right, maybe it's the Virgo in me. Now, they have the green, the orange, and also the red. 4 colors, anyone? Love this. Now, they also have these baskets over here. These are $1.50. And then they also have these sort of look like storage containers. These are $1.50 as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have these aprons over here for the arts and craft folks, right? Or you could just use this for whatever, okay? Now, this is, honey, I want to say $1.25. Now, the colors that they have are blue. They also have this red. Oh, and yellow. Hello, fella. If you guys are looking for some beautiful mirrors, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, I know they had something similar to these mirrors. Oh honey, was it these? Right, but these are so gorgeous. You see how they have the glitter around them? Honey, this is so gorgeous. These are $1.50. So they have the square, they have the circle ones, they even have my fave, honey, the gold, because I'm a gold girl. Now, if you guys are looking for the extreme heat socks, these are really, really good for like really cold weather. Now, these are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the fancy food. Now, this hides grays. Now, you know, honey, my grays, they make a statement all in itself, all right? But if you are one of those that, you know, maybe you're not ready to embrace the grays yet, oh, Dollar Tree definitely have the risk-free hair color, fancy food, temporary hair color, wrenches and shampoos out. 42 silver lining for light to medium gray or silver hair. You know, this confuses me because, you know, is it fun? I know it says hides the grays away, but honey, 42 silver lining, I mean, what is it giving? What is it doing? Okay, Dollar Tree, $1.25, honey. Now, if you guys are looking for something for your brows, she has the 2-pack foldable eyebrow trimmer set for $1.25. Now, I just gotta warn you guys, when you come to Dollar Tree, they also have another Brookstone, a 3-pack for the same exact price. You might as well go with the 3-pack. So if you lovelies are looking for something for your eyebrows, just make them more precise, Dollar Tree has the brow touch-up razor, ultra sharp, and honey, this is the Japanese ultra sharp precision. Right, Dollar Tree ain't playing a 2-pack for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree still has the 4-pack makeup beauty brush set. Comes in 2 different colors. They have the blue, and then they also had a pink one. 4 of these for $1.25, honey, that is good. Now, another brush that they have that I absolutely love is this makeup brush right here. This is so cute. So to the girls that's healthier, that is just starting out with makeup, make sure you come to Dollar Tree, because they be having brushes like this for $1.25, $1.50. Honey, you could try this stuff out first. The new item, honey, I'm so excited. Coughing over here. Dollar Tree also have, oh, this is definitely new, 4-color eyeshadow from LA Colors, Fashionista. And they also have rumors. Now, honey, I don't like no rumors, but the color is definitely given. You get what I'm saying? Really cute, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have this gorgeous makeup brush as well. I just came across this. This is nice for $1.25. Now, if you guys have not seen this already, this is the LA Colors, the shimmer eyeshadow. Look at this, honey. You get so much for $1.25. They have this pink one, lollipop. They also have this gold looking one. This is nice. And also, if you guys have not seen this already, the liquid bronzer, Dollar Tree definitely has. This is the Sunset Glow. They have 2 of these. The Sunset Glow and the Radiant Tan. Honey, in my opinion, they kind of look the same as their color, in my opinion. They also have the blendable concealer from LA Colors, new. And then they also have the liquid makeup from LA Colors, natural, $1.25. And if you guys are looking for a slim felt tip, if you guys are looking to do the wing, okay, you know the wing that the girls be wearing, and I wear it sometimes, Dollar Tree definitely has this slim felt tip marker. Is 2 of these different colors. They have the brown one, and then they also have the black. They did have a blue one, and these are $1.25. Another item that we've seen before is the salt range. Now, Dollar Tree have brought these back out, I guess because of the winter soon be here. Two of these for $1.25. I think this is definitely, I know this is a steal deal. They have the Himalayan pink sword, okay, moisturizing kiwi fruit, moisturizing rose, and then they also have the cherry shea butter. Now, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous, I absolutely love this, okay? The unicorn dress up kit, look at this, 3 pieces for $5. They have the wings, the tutu, and then they also have the headband. This is really cute. They also have the mermaid dress up kit as well. And this is, I believe this is $5 as well. Now, if you guys are looking for more Halloween costumes for your little ones, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are $5. Now, another item that is definitely new to my eyes, because I could swear, honey, they ain't have these last year. They have these decorative figures over here. These are $1.50. Most likely they're gonna be $1.50. Look at the little dog with the pumpkin. This is so cute. Love this.